A Walmart gift card balance not loading usually comes down to three things: the server not syncing, the app pulling cached data, or the card itself not being fully activated in the system yet. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to get your balance to show up again, and how to confirm whether the issue is your phone, the Walmart app, or the gift card. First thing to check is the simplest one: the Walmart app connection. If the app can't refresh data, the balance screen will stay blank or keep spinning. Open your browser and go directly to Walmart's gift card balance page instead of using the app. If the balance loads there, the issue is the app, not your card. Next, clear out the app's stored data. On Android, go into Settings, Apps, Walmart, then Clear Cache. On iPhone, you can't clear cache directly, so you delete the app and reinstall it. This forces the app to pull fresh data instead of stuck session info that blocks the balance from loading. If that still doesn't fix it, the next possibility is activation delay or card mismatch. This happens when a gift card was just purchased or scanned incorrectly at checkout. Try entering the card number and PIN manually instead of using scan or autofill. A single wrong digit will make the system look like the balance is missing. Another issue is Walmart server outages. When their backend is overloaded, gift card services are usually one of the first things to fail. If the app, website, and multiple devices all show the same loading problem, it's likely a temporary outage. In that case, waiting a few hours usually fixes it without you doing anything else. Also, check your internet connection. Weak or unstable Wi-Fi can stop the balance request from completing, even if everything else is working. Switch to mobile data, and try again to rule that out quickly. To sum it up, the fix usually comes down to three things: the app needs a refresh, the card details need to be entered manually, or Walmart system is temporarily down. Start with the browser check, then clear or reinstall the app, and finally verify the card number carefully. If this saved you time, like the video, and subscribe for more simple fixes for Walmart and payment issues.